السلام علیکم باکولرز، میرا نام ہے سلیم ہے اور آپ لوگوں کے لیے ایک انفارمیٹیو ویڈیو لے کے آئے ہیں. اور لاسٹ ایئر اکتوبر میں ہم لوگوں نے آپ کے لیے BYD شارک کا فرسٹ لک ریویو بنایا تھا اور آج فائنلی وہ دن آ گیا ہے جب کہ یہ گاڑی پاکستان میں آفیشیلی لانچ ہونے جا رہی ہے. ہم BYD میٹروپول کے اوپر موجود ہیں. ان کے شو روم پہ یہ گاڑی آج ڈسپلے میں رکھی گئی ہے. ایک پریس ٹاک بھی ہے, ڈسکشن بھی ہے میڈیا کی, اور آپ کو بھی دکھائیں گے کہ الیکٹرک پالیسی NEV کے بارے میں میرا کیا خیال ہے, اس کے اوپر ڈسکشن کرتے ہیں. یہ گاڑی آپ کے سامنے کھڑی ہے. ابھی آنے والی جو پاکستانی مارکیٹ میں جو گاڑی ہے اٹ ول بی 100% سیم ایز اے ون جس کا ہم لوگوں نے فرسٹ لک کیا تھا. اگر آپ دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں تو لگے ہوئے لنک پہ جا کے دیکھ سکتے ہیں. بہت ہی خوبصورت ٹرک ہے اور میرا نہیں خیال پاکستانی مارکیٹ میں اس سائز کا ٹرک اس سے پہلے کبھی لانچ ہوا ہے. اور یس اٹس این NEV کیا ہوتی ہے بیسیکلی اٹس اے پلگ ان ہائبرڈ وہیکل, اور جس میں آپ الیکٹرک رینج بھی آپ کو 100 کلومیٹر کی ملتی ہے اور ساتھ ساتھ پیٹرول بھی ملتا ہے. چلتے ہیں ڈسکشن کی طرف اور آپ کو دکھاتے ہیں کہ کیسا چلتا ہے آج کی پینل ڈسکشن.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sadra Iqbal. It's my pleasure to welcome you all here. A lot of times people would ask me, what do you drive? And my instant answer to that is, I drive people. Once again, I'd like to welcome Tavish Khalid. He is, of course, the Vice President of Sales and Strategy with BYD in Pakistan. We also have with us Mrs. Neet Sarfraz Manj, who is synonymous with being crazy about cars. She literally ran it, was a litmus test today. Let's see how Sneed is going to rate all our claims, and he's going to bring in a lot of insight for the Pakistani market as well. Please tell me that when BYD has come to Pakistan, and it's of course a global leader, what is your understanding of Pakistan and why this claim of being number one in the world?
Yeah. So thank you, Sidra. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome Sunil. Welcome to everybody. I would drill it down to three major components. BYD in achieving that number one title for NEVs has been able to do that because it's a vertically integrated company. We heard about how BYD started off as a battery manufacturer. And when we talk about NEVs, guess what's at the heart of the vehicle? It's the battery technology. So when you have one of the largest battery manufacturers who has started to advance into vehicles, that kind of vertical integration leads you to be leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. I also see the clarity of vision that comes from the leadership, and also the passion that we see when we talk about BYD. Met with our counterparts and our partners at BYD. It's a young crop of people who are very passionate about technology, who are very passionate about the environment, and who are very passionate about giving the customer the best experience. And thirdly, it cannot be emphasized more that at the crux of all of this is the technology. Just imagine an organization that has 100,000 engineers that are constantly working on research and development. That's the core foundation of your organization. You will always be bringing in the best technology. So, this is what makes
Absolutely. One time, it seems like such a powerful claim and such a powerful, mantra for a lot of us. So that everybody to test. I mean, without having the kind of knowledge that you do about cars, when I look at this piece, I mean, it's absolutely adorable. I mean, it has its dashing presence. Pakistanis love our trucks. But I want you to first and foremost comment on the Blade battery. Just what baat ki ja rahi hai. Ultra strong hai, ultra safe hai, and especially in an environment like Pakistan, jahan pe aapke paas ghar se bahar recharging facilities na hone ke barabar hain. What is this promise like, and are you excited about this?
Yes, I'm really excited, and I think I'd like to thank you for inviting me over. I think we have to understand that this is disruption going on in the auto market in the world, and we keep hearing about the go green and electric cars. I think this machine is an ideal shift from a petrol or a gasoline engine towards an electric car, because plug-in hybrid is right in the center. So when you're changing the habits of people that they were used to driving the gasoline car, petrol head like me. So for me, going to a 100% electric car is a bit overstatement for me, I guess. So it gives you that liberty of having a long range with a petrol in the car, but if you want to go electric and you have a regular commute in city, then you can enjoy the 100% electric move. So I think this truck at the back is ideal in that sense. Any plug-in hybrid would be, but in Pakistan right now, abhi jitni bhi company aa rahi hain, I think there will be more focus on plug-in hybrid in the near future.
I just read, what is the consumer insight over there? Because the commuters are बड़ी अलग-अलग type के हैं और आपको सबसे ज़्यादा उनका पता है. If I look at Karachi, यहाँ पे एक one way 40 minutes 50 minutes की drive is not a biggie. That is how much we have to cover. और खास तौर पे जितना लोड हमारी सड़कों पे होता है. On the other hand, since you come from the north, and there's a lot of intercity commute that is happening over there, it's very normal thing for people to be driving to Faisalabad, to Multan, to Islamabad, to even Peshawar. Like सबसे ज़्यादा अगर आपसे मैं पूछूं कि जब ये आ जाएगी शार्ट से, किस शहर में आप सबसे ज़्यादा इसको सड़कों पे देखते हैं?
अर्बन सिटी है देन इट विल बी आइडियल. अगर आपको लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे जाना है विद द गिवन चार्जिंग नेटवर्क आपको शायद इम्पेडिमेंट होगी, रेंज एंग्जाइटी होगी. The plug-in hybrid solve that problem because you're having an electric range as well as the liberty of going to any kilometers of mileage. So that's why I say कि plug-in hybrid is the ideal move in Pakistan market. अगर आप 100% electric की बात करेंगे तो I think the more urban जो है ना जो cities हैं उनके अंदर एक lifestyle है. प्लस उसमें इम्पेडिमेंट ये आ जाता है कि विद वर्टिकल लिविंग इन कराची शायद चार्जिंग का आपको इशू हो सकता है. लाहौर वाली साइड पे आप कहते हैं कि आप निकल जाते हैं. हाँ जी,
तो बात करना है.
एग्जैक्टली. सो उस लिहाज से बट आई थिंक जो ये प्लग इन हाइब्रिड्स हैं ये एक आइडियल मूवमेंट है किसी भी बंदे के लिए बिकॉज यू आर यूज्ड टू ड्राइविंग गैसोलीन कार्स और आपको जो रेंज एंग्जाइटी का इशू होता है with electric car. To break that range anxiety thing, you have to get used to this technology. Just like adaptation of new technology. A mobile phone है, you use them up every night. So when I got the first electric car, तो मुझे भी टेंशन थी कि ये तो खत्म हो जाएगी, माइलेज रेंज एंग्जाइटी थी. Now after being user of electric car for 3 years, it's like a second nature. Whenever I come to home, I just put it on charge and it's used up every morning. मैं उसको चला सकता हूँ और जितनी भी रेंज अगर आप देख लें मिनिमम भी होगी 150 से 400-500 kilometers. You cannot drive more than that in a city. In Pakistan, the yardstick for people for electric car, which they put to it, कि जी ये लाहौर से इस्लामाबाद जाती है कि नहीं जाती, उसमें unfortunately हमारे पास charging network is really in bad shape right now, in spite of all the claims and talks कि जो government करती है. Even sitting today, आप अपने एक हाथ की उंगलियों पे count कर सकते हैं कितने commercial charger हैं लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, कराची में मिला के. So,
you're absolutely rightly pointing it out, but you also, अगर मैं कहूँ कि glass half full है, this is the first time in our history where we have surplus energy. तो हमारा बिजली तो है, आप हमें सिर्फ चार्जिंग यूनिट्स लगाने हैं, जिसकी कमिटमेंट या जिसकी बात BYD ने की थी. Let's begin with that only. I remember when you launched and there was again a media interaction facing. BYD also has it in their vision to sort of contribute to this infrastructure of charging. उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आपने बताया. And दूसरा behaviors, consumer insight के बारे में भी कि when people are, जिस तरह सुनील ने इशारा किया कि हमने आदत है gasoline cars की, engine based vehicles की, क्या movement है and are people really exploring the ideas? Are these usually younger adults who would like these new vehicles?
So I'll take the question about the charging infrastructure first. I think Sunil is very right that that's one of the impediments when we talk about mass penetration and mass adoption of electric vehicles specifically, and of course to an extent of NEVs as well. When BYD came to Pakistan, and then as you know, Mega Motor Company, the local partners for BYD, we wanted to provide a holistic solution to the consumer, and that holistic solution means giving them the confidence that while the adoption is taking up, we are also standing behind them to give them the charging infrastructure through our sister concern Hubco Green. We've partnered with 3 of the leading oil marketing companies, जिनके साथ हम मिलके we are putting up charging infrastructure both within cities and also on motorways and highways. As I said, for us, the customers' preference and comfort is paramount, and range anxiety is very real, right? How do you address range anxiety? 2 ways that I can think of. One, you can put up the charging infrastructure, or you can introduce a PHEV.
Yeah.
So, that's how we are tackling that.
You never
So,
think that our beauty standard is
Absolutely.
actually improving.
Absolutely.
Lekin, when you look at this chart 6, which is all the buzz, Sleeve, इसको आप कहाँ पे place होता हुआ देख रहे हैं? Again, I'm touching on your review of not just the technology, but the Pakistani family and the car consumer, the car user.
The disruption that is going in auto industry, all these Chinese players have enticed consumers so much because for the longest time we were with 3 players और आपको कोई option नहीं मिलती थी. Now you go and you see the option, the ADAS option the cars are offering. उन्होंने consumer को जो है एक entice भी किया है और बाकी competition को भी जगाया है कि भाई आप कहाँ बैठे हैं. So I think in that sense अगर आप pickup truck की market देखेंगे तो for the longest time it was just rugged and there was no options. This truck I experienced last year when it was here. I did a first look review for this car and I was amazed at the options it offers with the power and the fuel economy at the same time. And the cabin size was also very good. So I think it will be a good addition to market.
हमारे यूजली बड़ी फैमिलीज हैं, अगर आप ट्रकर्स की भी बात करें, उनकी बड़ी फैमिलीज होती हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, बाकी होते हैं. I think the interior is quite comfortable.
Yeah.
कैसा आप देख रहे हैं? Do you see it as a family?
Yeah, especially the pickup से पाकिस्तान की मार्केट है, उनमें सबसे बड़ी इशू आपको ये था, तो the rear seat जो है ना, उसकी शेप ऐसी है कि आपको कंफर्ट नहीं मिलता था. With this car, with this truck, I think the most important thing which I checked was the rear seat comfort. It was awesome. So उस लिहाज से it will be an ideal car for families.
आप प्लीज थोड़ा सा process ना बता दें. How long is the booking process? अगर मैं price तो लेके I feel yes, this is what I want to go for, and I make a booking. How soon can I get at the top?
Sure. So just like our previous launches, we'll have the option to book the car both online as well as at our dealerships. We've got 4 locations across Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. You can come in, you can test the vehicles, you can check out the vehicles. मैं कहता हूँ कि लेनी है नहीं लेनी, ये तो आसान चॉइस है, कितनी लेनी है ये सोचना चाहिए और कौन सा कलर लेना है ये सोचना चाहिए. We are very excited about the launch and we know the excitement that our customers also have. So inshallah our booking process will be very smooth and we would want to deliver the car between 30 to 45 days from the booking of the cars. I'm sure that our customers will be very pleasantly surprised.
जिनकी birthday November, December में आ रही है, like 5 weeks.
September से.
September is the party. I said, Anish, now I want you to for a minute not to represent BYD, but as a car enthusiast, what's your favorite feature of Sharks?
जो इसकी towing capability है, not just the weight that it can tow, but also जो towing assistance मिलती है. I think that's very important. Typically when you go for the pickup truck category, एक और जो feature आपको साथ मिलेगा इसके साथ, you have to put in a towing assist before you can have any kind of trailer. तो वो भी आपको उसके साथ मिल रहा होगा. So you don't have to think about कि I have to procure this separately. Who's going to do that for me? So that's another beauty of it. For me, I have done a lot of road trips. So मुझे ज़माने में boating का भी शौक था, तो मुझे लगता है कि this towing capability is going to be very key. If we change gears and we talk about how BYD looks at the Pakistan market, I can tell you this for sure that Pakistan is one of the most critical markets for BYD in the region. So much so that inshallah we're working on putting up our local assembly plant. It will be the first local assembly plant for BYD in the region when Pakistan brings it online next year. So this is the amount of importance that BYD is giving to the region, to Pakistan, and we do have a lot of potential. We have a large population. हमारे यहाँ साल में अभी 2 लाख गाड़ियाँ बिकती हैं. हमारी population की अगर आप देखें, even in developing economies, it's 2-3 times that. So that is the potential that we have. So certainly BYD looks at that, and I think एक और चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा point out करता हूँ ना, वो ये है कि देखिए it's a question about technology. Our adoption can be a step change. It doesn't have to be a gradient where हम पहले सब लोग जो हैं वो गैस इंजन अफोर्ड करना शुरू करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद NEVs की तरफ आएंगे. The time is now.
So you're believing in the market forces कि offer the best, and you are already seeing 2 लाख गाड़ियाँ अगर बिक रही हैं, despite the problems, as we scale up, the demand is going to correct the market in a lot of ways as well. So thank you very much. और ख़ास तौर पे आपने हमेशा इसका उलट सुना होगा. आपके कमेंट से मेरे जहन में ख्याल आ रहा है, ये हमारा वहम नहीं है, हम वाकई अहम हैं. So have faith in the Pakistan market, have faith in the new trends that are coming in. It's about time that we adopt it. And more importantly, आखिर में ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि looking at how vulnerable we are to the climate change, this can be part of our climate action plan. It is very important. हम 2022 के super floods experience कर चुके हैं, super rains 2025 में आ चुकी हैं. So our way of life, the way we look at life, the way we look at mobility, which is a basic human right, has to change. So once again, Sunil, Tanish, it was a pleasure talking to you. You have more exciting things lined up in today's thing, but can we have a round of applause for my wonderful panelists? And with this, I'd hand it over back to Hari.
Only on Park